What you're about to witness is every college student's worst nightmare turned reality. Meet one 9-year-old Kaylee, a radiology student who made one split-second decision that changed everything. After what seemed like a minor fender bender, she drove away thinking it was no big deal. But here's the twist. The other driver reported injuries, and now what should have been a simple traffic exchange is about to become a felony hit-and-run investigation. Watch as this routine traffic stop escalates from a friendly conversation to handcuffs in under 20 minutes. The question is, could this have all been avoided with one simple decision to stay at the scene?
Anybody know what this chick looks like? Oh, I should have figured it out. Yeah, but wait, what? Could possibly be a man.
One unit, 600 just needs someone to come back.
Hey.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
All right. Can you step out here for a second
Yeah,
if you don't
of course.
mind? Are you the only one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
On my couch.
I'm gonna close the door. Okay. What's going on? Where you coming from?
I had a dinner with my friends.
Okay. Were you just driving?
Yeah, I was.
You just got back here?
Mhm.
Okay. All right.
Do you have a license on you? I do not.
I'm gonna read you something really quick, okay?
Okay.
Doesn't mean you're in trouble
Okay.
or if you're going to jail or anything, but I have to read you this information before I ask you specific questions. What's your name, by the way?
Kaylee Kidder.
Haley? Okay. Let's start with me getting some of your biographical information first.
Okay.
What's your birthday?
4306.
4306. So what?
Get it on her for you.
Oh.
Do you have a Florida driver's license?
I do, but I'll have to go find it.
What license is valid for you? Or is that it?
Wait, what do you mean by
Are you
that?
from Florida?
Yeah, I'm from Florida.
Cool.
Yeah.
Is that your most Kayeliegh?
Yes.
Sorry for my handwriting.
Brantley?
You're not hurt any, are you?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna read you this real quick.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned if you wish. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not make any statements.
Okay.
Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having those rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
What does that mean? I'm sorry. I've never talked to the police before.
No, you're okay. So I just read you your rights about how you don't have to talk to me without a lawyer
Miranda
present.
rights, right?
Yeah, Miranda
Yeah,
rights.
okay, yeah.
So after I read, I have to ask you possibly incriminating questions or questions specifically. Are you willing to talk to me about what I have to talk to you about?
Can I, is it like, I've only like seen like any of this like on like TikTok or whatever. Like,
It's a reference to a traffic crash. So before I ask you specific questions about a traffic crash, I have to read you your rights because this is a criminal investigation.
okay.
Do you want to talk to me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Were you in a crash just at the Tennessee?
I don't know. I don't want to deal with it at all. You know what I
Well,
mean?
there is damage to your Jeep
Really?
to the front right side.
Okay.
Did the person
But
try
there
to?
also there was like previous damage to my front right side. Is it like on the, were you looking at like the bumper,
No, I'm looking at the fender.
the fender?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just like the.
Okay, yeah. There was like, I hit like my first week of driving, I did hit like a trash can,
Mm-hmm.
and that did mess up my like right front. But I don't know if it's from that or not.
Did the other person try to wave you down or anything? Did they say? All right, cool. Hang tight with these officers for a second.
He's kind of up there to wait to get more information.
Okay.
Switching with him.
Okay. May been, but like for this incident, like the call we got, whoever it was, he or she who was driving the other car, whether they hit you or not, it's like that's why we could prevent this confusion.
Yeah.
If you had called as well instead of just coming back to your apartment thinking,
Yeah.
oh well,
Yeah.
it'd probably be doing something different.
Okay. Yeah.
But when like is a traffic crash involved, and especially when there's like somebody's injured, because this person is complaining of injuries, whether they hit you or not, like we don't know who hit who or what it may have been. Were you the only one in the car?
Yeah, I was. I know. I'm so sorry.
No.
I just like I've never been. Besides, I told you that I've never been pulled over, and then that one thing happened, and like nothing happened after that. I tried to call the police, like, and they just like couldn't do anything about it because no one saw anything. Apparently.
It was a hit and run?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, no, not even a hit and run. It was like she hit me. It was like really bad. It was a T-bone, and then like I got out, and I think I like literally blacked out in the moment because I've never like gone through anything like that. Okay. And I was like looking at my Jeep. I was like, okay, there's no damage, but there was so much damage, and I just like didn't even see it just because I was like freaked out, you know.
Okay. Is your registration and insurance and driver license and stuff? Is it in the house and in the Jeep? Whatnot, like maybe driver's license inside, but registration insurance is in the Jeep?
My license is definitely inside, and then my registration's in the Jeep.
Okay, can this officer accompany you to get your license and everything?
Yeah,
and you can
of
meet me
course.
back at the Jeep, and we can get your registration and insurance and stuff?
Yeah, of
and we'll
course.
see if we could chop this up to like a learning moment or what we can go from there. I'll let you know here in a second.
It's gonna be a search.
Yeah. All right. Right here's fine. All right. Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Yes, I was.
Can you actually back 660 on a suspicious person for a couple juveniles, not to break the vehicle?
You have no injuries, right?
No, sir. I'm good.
Okay. About approximately how fast were you going? Not an exact speed, more of an estimate.
Probably like 10 miles per hour. I was like literally turning into Dixie.
Okay. And you were originally traveling west on Tennessee Street, which means that direction.
Like coming from like this way and then turning right there.
And there it is, the moment that changes
You know where Walmart is on
everything.
Tennessee Street down the
Notice
road?
how calmly
going that
the
way towards
officer
Walmart.
delivers this devastating news. You are being placed under arrest for hit and run with injury. This is
your
textbook
airbags
police
deploy
procedure,
any?
but let's break down what just happened here.
All right.
The officer spent
You want to
nearly
stick this back in
7
your car
minutes
and then
building
come back
rapport
over here?
with
Talk to me
Kaylee,
for a second.
reading her Miranda rights, and gathering information before making the arrest. This wasn't a power trip, this was methodical investigation. The key factor that elevated this from a simple traffic citation to a felony charge, those 2 words, with injury. The other driver complained of shoulder and back pain, which legally transforms leaving the scene from a misdemeanor traffic violation into a serious felony. Here's what's fascinating about police work. The officer was actually hoping to make this a learning moment, as he mentioned earlier. But once injuries are reported, officers lose that discretionary flexibility. The law is black and white. Leave the scene when someone's hurt, and you're looking at felony charges. What do you think? Was this arrest justified? Or should officers have more discretion in cases like this with young, first-time offenders?
All right, so here's the thing. What I need you to do, I need you to turn around and put your hands behind your back for me. You are being placed under arrest for hit and run with injury. I'll explain to you some other stuff if you have any questions, so forth, or something like that, okay? And then if you need us to lock your house up or something like that, we can, okay? If you need to call somebody, we'll call somebody and go from there. That's not too tight, is it?
Do you want your jewelry off? They'll take it off at the jail. That's the only reason. Do you want me to put it in your room?
Is there like a specific back?
It'll go be the property, yeah. They're going to give it back to
They'll
you.
give it back to you. I just don't know the process of it.
I'll put it on.
And then your phone, your keys, all that stuff can go with you, okay?
Thank you.
Do you want me to lock up your apartment?
Sure. Can you just
Hey, real quick, can you search her while you're here?
there's like a little like it has.
Walk over this way for me,
It
Kaylee.
has like a lock button on the top. And then it pulls that down and it should make a noise.
Just hang tight right here for a second.
Okay.
Your cat good in the room?
Yeah. Okay.
Do you have anything on your stuff that's body safety?
No.
The vape can't go, unfortunately.
Okay.
You want us to put that in your vehicle for you?
Whenever you look in the house, could you just put that on the counter?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. It is very humid out here. That's like yucky. All right, do me a favor, Kaylee. Have a seat. Actually, hold on one second.
Okay.
Stand right there for a
Where's
second.
my phone going?
It's going with you.
Okay.
It's just going to be in the back until we get to jail.
Okay, thank you.
Same thing with you, Steve.
Okay.
So you want your 2 vapes to go inside on the counter,
Yes,
and then lock the
please.
door. You can lock it from the top, outside lock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
So I just step in?
Yep.
Yeah,
Just be
come see.
careful.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna bulk you up, and then we will try to get this taken care of as quick as possible. Okay. And if you have any questions for me while we're on the ride there, you feel free to ask me. Okay. Any contact.
I'm supposed to be 21.
Okay. What were you asking me?
I was just like wondering like how this is gonna go. I've never like experienced anything like
Gotcha.
this.
So you've never been to jail before, correct?
No, I've never even been pulled over
Gotcha.
or gotten a ticket. I don't know how this goes.
Like I told you earlier at the front door, that gentleman here
Mhm.
came to the scene that I was talking to. He's my supervisor.
Okay.
And the sergeant.
Okay.
We were trying to see if we could make it more of a, like I told you, a learning experience on like traffic crashes and stuff like that.
Yes, sir.
But again, like I told you,
Mhm.
when there are injuries involved, it's different. So
Okay.
that's the line between.
I understand that. I just genuinely, it was such a light little crash that I didn't think anything happened of it, and I apologize for that. I just get, I don't know, and not to make any excuses, I just get freaked out.
I guess. It may have felt that way.
Mhm.
Jeeps are tough. I drive
Yeah.
a Jeep.
Yeah.
I got 2004 Jeep.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay,
I know.
that's
Jeeps are
awesome.
tough. So, and I've been in crashes where people in Jeeps will feel, well, it didn't feel that bad, but other cars
They feel it.
aren't as tough.
Okay,
And
yeah.
This person who was in the crash that either hit you or that you hit, whether, like, whatever it was, like,
Yeah.
the thing is, you have to stay on scene for stuff like that and
Okay.
check to make sure everybody's okay.
Okay.
If you would have just stayed there and just say, hey, are you okay, or then that would have been different, and then we would have been able to
I
resolve it.
know. I really should have. I'm just like, I don't know how to handle these situations yet. I don't know. I'm like, it just freaks me out a lot. Which
You say you're how old?
I'm 19.
Yeah. You here for school?
Yes, I am.
How long have you been in Tallahassee?
I moved here in August.
This August.
Yes, this August. So I'm very new to this town, and literally like I've had to handle like police situations so many times, and I swear none of them like gave me like any type of good information, or they didn't help at all. So it was just like I also thought about it like, okay, like they really don't care. Which no disrespect whatsoever, but like those were my like situations.
No,
like
I get you. Like I get what you're saying. Every
Yeah.
police officer is different.
Yeah,
And,
of
like,
course,
they
of
provide
course.
Different experiences and different information and so
Mhm.
forth. And it just sucks that you just got here in August, and this is
Mhm.
like one of your in the first few months you've been here.
I know.
Like a fresh experience. Are you a freshman?
I'm going into my sophomore year.
Okay, yeah. Like that's
Yes,
up.
sir.
You shouldn't have to go into this, but again, like I
I
said,
know.
it's still a learning experience.
I know. I really should. I know. I
It's a
really should.
learning moment. Now we know in the future, even if the other driver leaves as well. Because
Okay.
what happens is, say you got into a crash and the driver hit you, and then both of you guys left. and they end up calling, which is really what happened here.
Yeah, that's what happened to me last time too.
Maybe it wasn't even your fault.
Yeah.
But because you left and didn't stay on scene,
Then it's is it automatically my fault?
That's what makes
Okay.
it a crime.
Okay.
Because we have to just make sure everybody's okay.
Yeah, I get that. I understand that. I need to like learn like more about that. I guess I don't know.
So that's why we are in the position that we're in.
Okay.
If it was just oh, my vehicle got damaged but I'm okay, I don't have any injuries,
Mhm.
then it would have been okay. Kaylee gets a ticket. She has to go to court and explain what happened.
Okay.
No
Am I allowed to know what kind of injuries they had?
It was like shoulder pain and
Okay.
I think either neck or back pain.
Okay. Okay.
And that's why we are in this position.
Okay.
So, like I said, if it was just oh, my car's damaged but I'm okay,
Yeah.
it would have been okay. Hey, what's called like a criminal UTC, which is like a misdemeanor.
Mhm.
That would be a misdemeanor, but because they had injuries, it makes it a felony.
Okay.
Which
Do you
I-
think
Go ahead.
I will get a felony?
I think that based on what you told me, and I'm pretty sure you either going to get a lawyer or a public defender.
Yes,
to
sir.
explain what happened and you not having any prior criminal history.
Mhm.
Like I said, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, of course, of
Anything
course.
happens, but based off what I've heard with things happening, it'll probably maybe get played down to like reckless driving or something. Which
Okay.
is not a felony.
Okay.
But this is stuff that goes to like the court and then what can be settled in court, like between the judge and so forth. And they'll
Okay.
probably be like, well, Kaylee doesn't have any criminal history. This is like the first time she's done this and things like that get what's called played down to
Okay.
like lower levels of crimes.
Okay.
So maybe it does get played down to
Mhm.
just a misdemeanor or something, and maybe you just have to pay something or just like you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
We've been talking, do you need me to call anybody for you and let them know, like, parents-wise, like, what's going on?
No, it's fine. I do all like everything's like by myself, so
Really?
I don't need anything.
You don't want anybody to know where you are?
Well, okay, so like one of my upstairs neighbor, he's one of my best friends. I would like to let him know, but I also don't know his like number by like heart.
Is it in your phone?
It is.
Yeah. Want me to hold your phone and call him for you?
Yeah, sure. He's working right now, so I don't know if he will answer.
Yeah, what's the
Um,
passcode?
and it should be under my contacts as Cody Cop.
CODY?
Yes.
Cody Cop.
Yes.
Cody Cop?
Yes. Oh no, he's not a cop.
Not a cop?
No, he works at one of the bars. He's not a cop.
Okay, alright, so I'll call him for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
I'll put him on speaker.
Thank you. He might not answer, but I doubt he will. But if he doesn't answer, then I don't have anyone to call. Hey, Cody. Hey. Wait, what do I say to him?
Whatever you want.
I'm in trouble right now. I just want to let you know. I'm in trouble right now. I just want to let you know. Like, I'm in the back of a cop car. Don't laugh. It's horrible. I'll explain later, but I just want to let you know.
Wait, what?
I said I'll explain later, but I just wanted to let you know. I'm on speaker with, like, everyone. What? No, I didn't drink tonight. We just had dinner.
Then you're fine. Alright.
Do you want me to talk to Cody and explain what's going on?
He's fine. He'll be fine. Okay, yeah. I'll call you whenever I can. I just want to let you know. Okay.
Nobody else?
Yeah, nobody else. We're good. Am I gonna, like, be with, like, other people?
Are you gonna what?
Like, be with other people?
Not sure.
Okay.
Like, yeah. There'll be other people in here.
Okay. Tallahassee people kind of scare me a little bit.
I don't blame you.
Yeah. They're a little crazy around here.
Hang tight for me, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
right?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. What are you going to school for?
Radiology. I want to be an X-ray tech.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's really hard though. I've not been doing too good in school, but
You have not been?
I mean, like half and half. There's like a couple classes where it's like you really have to study. So
It's radiology.
because I have 2 jobs right now, so it's like really hard to balance.
Where do you work?
Yeah, I work at Harry's and then I work at Recess.
See those blue feet right there?
Okay.
Just stand on those blue feet for her. Hello.
What are you here for?
Hit and run.
First time.
First time. Yep. Probably need that for it.
Do you want to harm yourself? You want to kill yourself? Oh, no. Are you not safe? Okay, do you have any existing injuries? No. Alright, do you feel like you're abused or harassed? Okay, and you had do you think you're pregnant? Yeah.
This case perfectly illustrates how one moment of panic can spiral into life, altering consequences. Kaylee, a 9-year-old college student with 0 criminal history, now faces potential felony charges simply because she drove away from what felt like a minor collision. The real tragedy? This entire situation could have been avoided with one simple action: staying at the scene for just 5 minutes to check on the other driver. The officer's compassionate approach shows the human side of law enforcement, but it also highlights a crucial reality. When injuries are involved, officers have no choice but to follow the law, regardless of circumstances. The legal lesson here is crystal clear: always stay at the scene of any accident, no matter how minor it seems. Exchange information, check for injuries, and call police if needed. Those few extra minutes of inconvenience can save you from months or even years of legal battles. As for Kaylee, the officer's prediction was likely accurate. With no prior record and clear remorse, this will probably be pled down to a misdemeanor with community service or probation. But the emotional trauma, legal fees, and permanent record could have all been avoided. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts about Kaylee's situation in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns that show how quickly everything can change.